learn, and grow together. This is the very motto of Apple School, the Maiguda. Here at Apple School, we blend love, learning, and fun to create a nurturing environment. Our interactive lessons and playful activities inspire curiosity and joy among children. Formed in the year 2010, Apple School earned goodwill in the neighborhood, but April 2023 marks a remarkable milestone in the journey of Apple School. It was the moment when we had taken charge of the school. Since then, we have been striving to make our own mark in the arena of education. We strongly believe that learning mother tongue is key to success. One who learns mother tongue can learn any other language easily and excel in any field. That is why we have introduced Telugu right from nursery grade as against the usual practice followed by other schools. The more pupils spend their time in the school, the more they enjoy studies. Hence, we have extended school timings of all the classes to accommodate increased number of activities and to cover curriculum as well. We have also introduced lunch hours for junior KG and senior KG students to lessen the burden on parents. This step also ensures that children get accustomed to the ambience of primary classes even while they are in the pre-primary stage. We proudly state that holistic approach has fetched us due reputation. To begin with, academics have always been the center of our focus. But equal priority has always been given to various weekly activities wherein physical fitness and mental development of the kids are assessed. Extracurricular activities such as dance, karate, and music, field trips, summer camps, celebration of national festivals, and various other festivals complete our wholesome approach. Besides teaching lessons in the classroom, we also teach life lessons to the children. We have taken up various programs to create awareness on environment protection. Go Green Week is one of them. We asked primary section children to bring saplings and plant them in the premises of the school. Not only planting the saplings, children tended them until they grew up into healthy plants. We also regularly expose kids to sunlight to overcome vitamin D deficiency. Junk food based lifestyle is pushing all of us towards ill health and chronic diseases. Hence, we have initiated a drive to inculcate in the kids the habit of having organic food. As part of this, we recently organized an organic fest for one whole month and instructed the parents to send only organic food as snacks and lunch. To our pleasant surprise, majority of the kids continued to bring organic food even after the drive came to an end. Apple School is fully equipped with state-of-art infrastructure. Each and every room is built with a theme and a concept that enables children to associate with, appreciate, and learn from the environment. All interiors are designed keeping the little ones in mind. Our teachers are our greatest strength. Their dedication and teamwork under the guidance of the correspondent madam form the cornerstone of our success. We are also grateful to parents for their unparalleled cooperation. We at Apple School aim to educate the children in a free and healthy environment. We prefer knowledge to grades and ranks. We always strive hard to preserve school days as a pleasant childhood memory in the hearts of our students.